let's get into this face because this ain't it. So today I'm gonna start off my makeup routine quite differently because normally I don't use primer. I know, shame on me. I just never really got into it. I never really understood what it truly did. But today I'm gonna use this Lancome Le Base Pro primer and prime my face. Now I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna be 100% honest, this is not my favorite foundation. Personally, because I do not like dewy foundations. Secondly, it's not my color, but I'm working with what I have right now. But today, I'm gonna do some fun makeup because I'm putting on a really cute wig today, and I feel like I just have to do something different with the makeup. But definitely stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to be installing the wig for you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pink Lips 5-star concealer. I have this in the color Go Getter. And when I tried this on earlier, I instantly fell in love because one, I read that it was soft matte, and I love matte finishes. So that was great. Now I'm gonna go in with the same concealer, just in a different shade. This one is called Rebel, and I'm gonna go all around my face.
You were my first time. A new feel. It won't ever get old. Not in my soul, not in my spirit. Keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Pink Lips setting powder, and I have it in the color Banana. Now I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance contour palette. Y'all know this is my fave, as you can see. Black Radiance, sponsor me, okay? To fill in my brows, I'm gonna use this brown shade here that's in the Black Radiance contour palette. And then I just take it on an angled brush and just do hair-like strokes. Conversation like what? Big thoughts got you stuck. Feeling stuck to show. Should I stay? Should I go? Alright, now I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in the color Banana. Now let's get into the eyes. Eyes, I'm gonna be going in with this palette here. This has to be my favorite everyday palette because look at these colors. Fluffy brush like so, and tap into this orange here. Oh my god, I totally forgot to contour my nose. Alright, so going into my contour palette again with the middle shade, I'm just going to contour my nose ever so slightly. To brighten up my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. just lightly tap it right underneath my brow bone. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, don't you hate when that happens? It happens to me like too often. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush like so. So now let's recontour our face because our face is looking kind of blown out with all the brightening steps we did. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline facial spray. I think out of all the steps within makeup, it has to be facial spray. It just always makes my skin feel so much more refreshed. I love it. All right, so what are we missing? What are we missing? What are we missing? All right, so I need some blush and I need some highlight. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush I had for like years now. You can't even tell like what the name is. That's how old this blush is. All right, so I'm gonna take my tweezer and just pick up the rhinestone, dip it in some lash glue and apply it to my eye. Guys, look how beautiful this eye looks. I'm obsessed. So that took like 20 minutes, so let's do the other eye. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finally added all the rhinestones on my eye. How do you like it? Do you love it? I love it. I think it's cute. Really simple, but really glam at the same time. So let's go ahead and finish up the face, and that will be the end of this video. Going in the black radiance palette again, and using the highlight to highlight my nose.
I don't call it confident. I just call it loving.
Y'all are gonna kill me, but I'm going in again with the black radiance palette, and I'm gonna use the brown shade and line my lips. Now I'm gonna go with my Pink Lips lip gloss and the color Expose Me. Just add that in the middle.
I just wanna love you all, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm finally done with my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on off camera and we will be back to close out the video.
Some regular bitch told me I was doing too much. You're regular. Anything is too much for you.